Hey guys, Brett here at my client Jarrett's first Section 8 rental property, guys. Jarrett is putting in a little bit under $55,000 into this rental. We're turning it into a 5-bedroom. This was a little bit different because usually we would finish up construction at a house like this and start marketing it, start advertising it. In this instance, we had a little bit of a different situation. We had a woman called my property management company and she said, I need a 5-bedroom in this part of town. We hadn't even started work on this yet, but she wanted it. She said, I want to see it, but it was in really bad shape. She still came by, she saw it, she loved it. She had the same idea that we had in terms of what it would look like when we were done with it. And she signed up for it. So we already have a tenant for it. And because of that, we've expedited this renovation process to see if we can get this thing knocked out very, very quickly and get her and her family moved in. So guys, really, really quiet neighborhood, really, really nice neighborhood. Houses are spread out from each other, and it's just a really nice part of town. So I want to walk in here. This is going to be one of those houses where there are people working. It might get a little bit loud. I'll do the best I can to talk over it. But with that being said, ARV here will be close to about 160, maybe even a little bit higher, closer to $170,000 for a 5-bedroom here. And rent here is going to be somewhere between $1,400 and $1,550 a month. So fantastic. Very, very excited for Jarrett. It's not every day where you have a tenant, a prospective tenant, call your office and say, look, this is what I need. This is where I want to be. What do you have? And we just got lucky. Jarrett had just closed on this and we were able to get it done. So guys, if you want to do this and you want to create rental property, build a rental portfolio when there's just so much else going on in the world that you're uncertain about, especially investing in the stock market, putting money in certain places, it's a great place to start. If you want to get started, if you want to use me and my teams, property management, construction, lenders, realtors, insurance, everybody, send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started and we'll do it together. Jarrett's never seen this house ever before, so I'm really excited for him. So we're gonna walk through, guys. Now this is a split level house. So upstairs we've got 3 bedrooms, downstairs we've got 2. We're gonna start upstairs, walk around a little bit and show you what's going on up there. So we rebuilt this entire base, okay? So this entire platform is rebuilt. Of course, we'll trim it all up, brand new subfloor in here. This subfloor had a ton of rot through it, so redid everything there. And then as we come up to the top of the stairs, you've got your living area, you've got your living room. A lot of windows, a lot of natural light. Moving through here into the kitchen. Yeah, here's the kitchen. So moving here into the kitchen, good sized kitchen, put a kitchen table right here. All your appliances, of course, will go here, kitchen, and then you've got a nice backyard. So fenced in backyard here as well. So you're in a really good position here with quiet, comfort, privacy. It's just really nice. Moving through the living room here, so as you guys can see, full rewire. I guess I didn't really talk about what we're doing here, but new HVAC unit, full rewire, new roof, addition of bedrooms, full cosmetic reboot. You'll get all new flooring in here, all new paint, ton of drywall work, some structural work, new porch that we also put on the back. I meant to show you this too. So that's a brand new porch we put on the back. There was a very large porch that was all the way rotted through. We got rid of that. Tore that thing off, brand new porch. All these cabinets, everything here is going to be repainted and repaired, new countertops. All this tiling is cracked, if you come over here and see. So with all this cracked tile, all of this will fail an inspection and it's unlevel. So the problem with it is it's cracking because the subfloor underneath is not flat. So when you have a subfloor underneath tile that has bows in it, and you lay a piece of flat tile on it, you step on one piece of the tile, it creates cracking. So particularly in this area of the floor, it's very unlevel. So our options would be take the floor up and retile it, which is very expensive. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna put LVP in here as well to match the rest of the house. So it'll look really, really nice. Now, some of the hardwood's in good shape, some of it is not in good shape. But hardwood can make a really good subfloor, especially in this case. Some people will say, well, just refinish the hardwoods. Well, the unfortunate thing about hardwoods is when you have tenants move in and they live here for 5, 6, 7, 8 years, when they leave, depending on the wear and tear that they put on the hardwoods, you have to refinish them again. And you're talking about thousands of dollars spent over and over and over again. A lot of times what we like to do is just put a high quality LVP down, and you don't have to constantly refinish that. We'll get 15 years out of quality LVP. So we tend to go that route, especially when finishing this will cost us very similar to what LVP will. So as we walk through here, guys, we've got a linen closet here. We've got our bathroom right here. So bathroom is being cleaned up and being finished there. And then you've got your 3 bedrooms. So you've got bedroom 1 right here. Everything is painted, so we're not going to get in here too much. Bedroom here, we've got guys on the other side of this door, and then bedroom here. So we have our 3 bedrooms here, good size, a lot of light, everything's kind of close knit, close to the bathroom as well, but nice. And then as we walk back to our front door, in traditional split level style, we'll now go downstairs. So all new LVP will go down here as well. And this will be, we'll create a hallway right here, okay? So bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1, you got a chimney in your bedroom as well. It used to be old gas chimney. We'll block that off to make sure that, that it's not live anymore and no one will actually make a fire there. But nice bedroom here. And then through this hallway, you'll have bedroom 5. So walk through here, you've got your 5th bedroom, utility closet in there, closet on the far side, and bedroom 5 with exterior access as well. So I don't always love making basements into bedrooms, because a lot of times you can have issues. You can have water issues, you can have pests and rodent problems in basements. So I don't like to do that all the time. But in this instance, we have a basement that is ground level. I like that. It's just like a single family home that is on a main level. This is like main level living. So we'll be in a really good position here to where you can come off, you'll have privacy, you can come off the driveway, you can park your car in the driveway and come right in that way. You've got 2 windows, which is very uncommon for first level on a split level house like this. So you've got multiple windows here, you've got multiple egresses. You'll have another hallway up to the top of the house. You're in a really, really good position here. So I really, really like this. Amazing. We already have a tenant lined up. The day this is done, we will get that tenant in here. So we're already on the schedule for an inspection, waiting for our name to get called, because with Section 8 inspections, they can take a little while. So what we like to do sometimes, if we already have a tenant lined up, we kind of time that out a little bit, because we know by the time we're done here, which should be in about a week or 2, our time will be called soon for inspection. So really looking forward to that, guys. If you have any questions, please, comments, drop them below. I'll get to all of them. If you want to do this, send me an email in the description below, and we'll see you next time.